Hey guys, Jess here. I'm back and we're doing another October daily layout. And for this one, we're creating our fall bucket list. I got this idea from, again, watching a lot of other videos and past October daily albums that have been created. And the fall bucket list is a pretty popular item to include. And so I thought I would put a little bit of a twist on it and create a bucket list using die cuts. And I believe most of these are from the Cozy Days collection. The one I'm putting down right now was what kicked it off. It's just a journaling piece that says fall bucket list. And I was like, oh my gosh. And it just sparked an idea. So then I pulled in a bunch of other pieces. One that says farmer's market, one that says apple picking, one that says pumpkin picking, one that says pumpkins, hay rides, apple cider, fall is here, and then another one that says warm, cozy, have a cozy day. That's what it says actually in the little envelope. And all those things just resonated with me of like they're good bucket list items. So essentially we are creating our bucket lists in a list and not in a list form. I guess non-traditional way of creating one, kind of like a collage, if you will. So I really like the idea, and as you can see, we're just plopping them down, layering them together on this back side of the apple. And then I didn't really want to do too much embellishing because it's kind of busy as is, but I thought leaves would be a good addition. So I pulled out some various leaves from my stash, and I just wanted to orient them in a manner of which they were kind of falling, or look like they're kind of falling from the sky, just to give a little bit extra fall feel on this spread. And I think it came out really good. I love the idea of a fall bucket list, and this twist on it just made it really fun. And I think it complements the floral photograph that it's going to be paired with, which was a picture of a bouquet that I did a fresh. You could like cut your own flowers at the farm stand, and I just love the colors. The flowers are beautiful, so I wanted to make sure I included a photo of it in this album this year. So I think this fall bucket list pairs nicely with that photo. And yeah, so again, another easy layout to achieve, a different take, and we're sprinkling these leaves in now to kind of finish it off, and it looks great. Here's a close-up, and we're just going to punch some holes in that floral picture and place in the album, and we're going to call this done. As I've mentioned before, I'm not numbering my stories. I'm just putting them in as they come to me. And so here's the final spread. I hope you guys have enjoyed this process video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.